Hello, my fellow cookie monsters. Welcome back to Earth to Rocco. Today we're going to be making a vegan ginger molasses cookie. These cookies are great to make at this time of year because they have ginger, nutmeg, and cinnamon, which all bring together a warming flavor that's super reminiscent of the holiday season. They're really soft and chewy and absolutely delicious. They're also really simple to make, so let's get started. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a stand mixer, I'm gonna put in half a cup of vegan butter that's been softened to room temperature. On a medium-high speed, I'm gonna beat it together with 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar until it's creamy. Then add in the molasses and vanilla and mix it together until it's combined. I have 205 grams of all-purpose flour and I'm gonna add in half of it for now. Then I'm gonna add in half a tablespoon of baking soda, a pinch of salt, 2 teaspoons of ground ginger, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, and half a teaspoon of nutmeg. Now we'll mix it on a low speed until it's combined. Then I'm gonna add the rest of the flour and mix it until it's incorporated. You should end up with a pretty thick dough. Now our dough is ready and we can start to form our cookies. I have a 2-tablespoon cookie scoop. Yes, Mama Gina, it's called a cookie scoop.
It's not a cookie scooper, it's a scooper.
They're called cookie scoopers, no?
The scoopers.
So I'm gonna take some dough and form it into a ball. And I'm gonna roll it in some white sugar. Now I'm gonna place it on my baking tray. Make sure to leave some space between the cookies because they will flatten out quite a bit. Now we're gonna go ahead and pop them in the oven for about 11 to 12 minutes until they start to crack on top. Don't overbake these because we're looking for a nice and chewy cookie. When they come out of the oven, they're gonna be really soft, but as they cool, they'll start to harden. Let them cool for at least 15 minutes. This is an incredible cookie. So much flavor packed in just one bite. I taste the ginger, the cinnamon, the nutmeg, the molasses. It's just so good. I gotta make these for everyone at Christmas. It's sure to be a hit. Good, eh? Well, I hope you enjoy making these delicious ginger molasses cookies. I sure did. I know I'm gonna enjoy this whole batch.
You enjoy everything.
If you liked today's video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And hit that subscribe button to keep up to date with my latest vegan recipes. Head on over to earthtorocco.com for the ingredients and instructions for today's vegan ginger molasses cookies and more dessert recipes. Happy holidays!